Hello everyone, thanks for watching E-24G exclamation point. Appreciate you stopping by. Again, this is another POV video on two items I was able to get recently. Again, shout out goes to my friends and family, and also for anybody who watches these videos. Appreciate it, the time you guys take to watch it. So today on this, I'm just going to do two quick showings. One is of the New Era Fear of God cap. It's a fitted cap. And then the other one is just the Fear of God Essentials t-shirts. I believe it's a bag of 3 inside, which comes in this nice silver packaging. So we'll start off with the cap. It's a New Era cap. And here is the Fear of God logo on the front. And as you can see on the side, you have the New Era logo stitched in black. It looks very nice if you could see it closely. On the back, as you see, the MLB logo, which is the Major League Baseball logo. Again, this is a fitted cap. It's a very nice cap. I saw that he released a couple of these caps years ago that were going for, I believe it was $300 during the All-Star game. And let me just show you the under part. Front, you have the green, which I call the old school green. As far as I can see there, the MLB logo on it. And under here, you have the sweatband. And you have what says over here, genuine merchandise. This is a cap size 7.5. And these are the 5950 New Era Pro models, as you can see in the close on the ticket here on the tag, since 1920. And over here you have it says here, Essentials for Your God. These came out in different colorways. I saw red, this is the black one. Saw a navy one. I ordered a navy and then it ended up being sold out. A couple of stores carry them, Lids, and I saw a couple of sneaker stores that were carrying them too. From Finish Line, Champ Sports, the place where I ended up getting them, looks like they were not in any struggle of getting rid of the stock. As you can see here, knitted over here, and it's very nice quality. Cap goes for about 65, 70, depending where it is and where you get it at. I put that on the side over here. And then this probably doesn't have a lot of reflection, so don't mind seeing this. Get under here, inside of here, the bag, it should be about 3 from Fear God Essentials t-shirts. Just solid black t-shirts. Again, it comes in a very nice packaging. Silver, I would say silver metallic. And let me see if I could open this up over here. Maybe I need a pair of scissors. Actually, no, I don't. Alright, so packaging, as you can see. Let's see the quality of these shirts. Again, this is the Fear God Essentials line. And over here you see, I like the oversized looks. I end up getting an extra large. It says made in China. In Fear of God. And it's a pretty big shirt, actually. And on the back, right under the back of your neck, has the Essentials Fear of God. This, I believe, pack of 3 goes for about 100. I appreciate the gift. And nothing, I would say, that's out of this world as far as the shirt. I like black shirts. So as far as that, solid black. And as just so you guys can see, the make of it says 53% cotton, 40% polyester, 7% rayon. And again, these are made in China. And of course, the care, machine wash cold with light colors, non-chlorine bleach when needed. And again, you can dry it low. If you like this baggy look, I mean, extra large might be just too big. I think even true to size, this might be perfect. I didn't expect it to be this big, actually. I mean, it's a pretty big shirt. Again, this will go perfect. This cap will go perfect with this. Over here, you have a Fear God cap, Fear God t-shirt. There's 2 more shirts in here, in the bag. You have another one over here. You have the bag again over here. By the way, back of the bag is just clear. As you can see that. And then you have another shirt over here. I don't even have to try these on. I don't do try-ons, I just do point of view videos, but these shirts are big and they're oversized. And again, not surprising because that's the way the shirts are. I just went extra large for an extra large fit. I'm laughing at it because I should have done the large. But hey, you know what? Nothing wrong with it. Again, the shirts, Fear God t-shirts, solid black, and go to Pac Sun's website. And this is a non-promo video. You should be able to order some of these at the site. If you have any questions, comments, of course, definitely leave them. Please subscribe. Quick video I was doing just to show this of what we have on here. And that should do it. I appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Check out the other videos too. And again, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Take care.